Hi everyone, 您好 Welcome to Smart Mandarin. Number Magic. 我是 Maggie. 您好吗 If this is your first time to visit our channel, please subscribe. This is what we believe the best way to learn Mandarin. Smart Mandarin Basic 16. Numbers in words, idioms, and expressions. There are thousands of Chinese words and expressions contain the numbers you already know. Let's revisit. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、百、千、万。Chinese numbers not only present quantity, but also symbolize many things. Just like 13 in Bible, but Chinese numbers are far more popular in the language. Number 1 is one of the most popular words in Chinese language. It has different meanings. It means one, also means a, also means all, and also means once. It's very frequently used. Idioms only contain numbers. 1、5、1、10、1、5、1、10. What does it mean? In details. 3、3、2、2。3, 3, 2, 2. It means in small numbers or groups. Normally, we will use this to describe crowds. 千 means thousand. 1 means 10,000. As a number, it means 10 million. But if this word is in front of a verb, it means must or ensure. 千、千、万、万. If you just double the sound, then that means numerous. To easily understand the meanings of idioms contain numbers, you'd better to be aware of what these numbers symbolize. Unlucky number 4. 7 is also regarded as unlucky. Lucky number 8. But Chinese people also like 6, 9, 10. Let's find out why. 2 or 2. It indicates a pair or separation or split. 3 indicate limit, no more than 3 mistakes. 4 often linked to 4 seasons, 4 directions, and 4 limbs. 5 5 elements, metal, wood, water, fire, and earth. 5 tunes. You will notice that Chinese classical music has 5 tunes. 5 locations, east, west, south, north, and center. 5 viscera, heart, liver, spleen, lungs, and kidney. 6 6 kin, mother, father, big brothers, little brothers, wife, and children. 6 matching pairs of 12 zodiac. 6 desires, and also indicate smooth. 7 7 sense organs, 2 ears, 2 eyes, nose, mouth, and skin. 7 emotions. 8. 8 directions often work with 4 in an idiom. Also means big number often work with 7. 9. Biggest single number. Near to the goal. Also means turning point and long lasting. 10 is perfection. The fourth goal in many competitions is 10. If you are aware of this, it will be easier for you to understand the thousands of Chinese phrases, idioms, expressions contain the numbers. Nowadays, among Chinese netizens, they also created language just use numbers. Let's try some. 520 means I love you. In Chinese is 我爱您. 88 bye bye. 514 not interesting. 没意思. 48 yes 是吧. 53880 I want to cuddle you. 我想抱抱您. 555 whimpering 呜. 837 don't be angry 别生气. 6868 sleep away 溜吧溜吧. 587 I apologize 我抱歉. That's all for today. I hope you had some fun. If you want to continue, my serious Mandarin learning book, Smart Mandarin for Beginners, are now available at eBay. All the lessons are recorded and uploaded on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe and press the like button. 谢谢，再见. See you next time.